So, hi to everyone. Today, I am going to talk about elements inside a mobile handset. So, if you take a basic digital cell phone apart, it contains a few key parts like CPU, GPU, RAM, ROM, antennas, display, battery, ports, camera, microphone, speaker, sensors, SIM reader, body frame, flash. So we will talk about these in detail. So first of all, it is about CPU or the central processing unit. So it handles all housekeeping for keyboard and display. It deals with command and control signaling with the base station and coordinates the rest of functions on the board. So the CPU determines the mobile device's speed. So mobile platforms are designed to be fast, intelligent, smooth and secure and produce amazing graphics. The feature processors with multi-core CPUs combining cutting-edge features and support for worldwide network connectivity, jaw-dropping speeds and unbelievable power efficiency. So a CPU determines the mobile device's power efficiency, speed and smooth and secure features. Then comes GPU or graphics processing unit. So these are designated for designed for parallel processing. The GPU is used in wide range of applications such as graphics and video rendering, and it is best known for their capabilities in gaming. It is becoming more popular for use in creative production and artificial intelligence. Then comes RAM or random access memory. It is your system's short-term data storage. It helps in loading applications, browsing internet, editing a spreadsheet, or experiencing the latest game. It is mainly used to switch quickly among these tasks, and also data is lost if system turns off. Then comes ROM or read-only memory. It is non-volatile in nature rather than the RAM, which is volatile in nature, and the ROM cannot be accidentally changed, and it is cheaper than RAMs and easy to test, and it is more reliable than RAM also because when power is lost, the data inside ROM is saved rather than lost like RAMs. Then it is static and do not require refreshing, and contents are always known and can be verified. Then comes antennas. So antenna is a metallic object which converts electromagnetic signal to electric signal and vice versa. It is commonly used. The commonly used antennas in the mobile phone are helix type, planar inverted F type, whip or patch type. So, a microchip strip based patch type of antennas are popular among mobile phones due to its size, easy integration on the PCB, and multi frequency band of operation. Today's mobile phones support various GSM, CDMA, LTE, WiMAX, and also WLAN and Bluetooth. Then comes display. So, a display has various type of technologies which are used in mobile handset. So the first one is TFT LCD or thin film transistor technology. It has got narrow viewing angles and in direct light or sunlight, there's poor visibility. Then comes IPS LCD or in plane switching. It is next level of TFT LCD, and it has more wider viewing angles and also has lower power consumption, which lead to much improved battery life. Then comes organic light emitting diode. So, in this display technology, an organic material which is placed between two conducting sheets, which are also put between a glass top plate and a glass bottom plate. The time when an electric pulse passes or is applied between the two conducting sheets, electroluminescent light is produced directly from the organic material sandwiched between. So, this produces the light. Then comes AMOLED or active matrix light, organic light emitting diode. So AMOLED screens shows many things that are present on OLED display like brilliant color reproduction, lightweight, good battery life, and proper brightness, etc. Then comes Super AMOLED displays. It is constructed with the touch sensors placed on the display itself, as opposed to creating a separate touch sensitive layer as uh, capacitive touchscreen. This makes it the thinnest display technology on the market. Super AMOLED displays are currently only present in Samsung devices. So mainly AMOLED and Super AMOLED displays are produced by Samsung, whereas OLED displays are provided by LG. Then comes battery. Uh, Mobile phone these days comes with lot different types of batteries, and it is their quality that decides how much energy they can store and hence how long the device can be operated with a single charge. So there are three types of technologies currently. So first one is lithium ion batteries. It is the older and most popular technology for cell phone batteries. The only real drawback of lithium ion cell phone batteries is that they are expensive. However, they have higher energy density compared to lead polymer and also have a tendency to overheat. Because of this, lithium ion batteries have an active protection circuit, essentially an onboard computer that prevents the battery from overheating and potentially bursting into flame. Then lithium polymer batteries, which is the latest and most advanced technology for cell phone batteries because it is ultra lightweight and do not suffer from memory effect and deliver up to 40% more battery capacity than an nickel metal hybrid of the same size. Then comes high silicon lithium batteries, which are currently on development, which claims to be more efficient than these two batteries. So, speakers inside mobile handset. Traditionally, loudspeakers on phones are used to produce sound alerts for events such as incoming calls, incoming messages, or alarms. Then nowadays, it started doubling as portable music players as the quality of speakers increased. Inside a mobile handset, there are various sensors to detect various aspects of environment. So there are motion sensors which helps to detect tilt, shake, rotation, or swing of the device. For example, an accelerometer. Then comes ambient light sensor. It helps in controlling brightness level of screen automatically, or known as auto brightness mode inside the device. It depends on intensity of light. Then comes proximity sensor. It is an infrared light which prevents accidental screen touches. It is mainly used while we place the phone near the ear so that the infrared light detects when the ear is near the phone. Then comes accelerometer sensor. It is used to check the orientation of the device, like whether it is in landscape mode or portrait mode. Then comes gyroscope sensor, which is mainly used for VR headset. It helps the axis or angles and directions of the device it is using at that point of time in every precise manner. Then comes microphone. A microphone is also a sensor, but it is very important other than the other sensors because uh, we use the mobile device handsets for calling and meaning microphone. So cell phones use tiny electric condenser or MEMS microphones. These require very little power to function. It feature pressure sensitive diaphragms and are generally built with integrated preamplifiers or impedance converters. It is also a cost effective method, and MEMS mics are not all that great at capturing accurate audio, and these are attached because due to size restraints. So, how can we improve the mic quality? So we can use external microphones like wireless Bluetooth microphones or through headphone jacks or charging ports through USB-C. The next is cameras. Nowadays, cameras have become an important part of mobile handset because it has replaced the traditional cameras. So the advantage of cameras inside a smartphone is that it can be carried all in the pocket everywhere. So a smartphone camera components have lens, sensor, ISP, time of flight sensor. So the lens. A lens is a piece of polished transparent material which focuses the light on camera sensor. Then comes aperture. It is an opening that decides how much light will enter through the lens onto the camera sensor. Then there comes the image sensor. It is a part of the smartphone camera where light from outside is translated into signals. Then comes ISP or image signal processor. It converts an image signal into a viewable image that you see through your phone's display. Then a time of flight sensor which emits infrared laser to measure the depth of a scene. So nowadays, why do phones have triple or quad cameras? So the number of camera is increased because we can capture a photo in various aspects. Like we can capture in wide angle, or we can capture while zooming without losing the quality, or we can capture in low normal viewing angle mode, or we can use a macro camera. So that is why phones have triple or quad cameras. Then come ports. The ports in mobile handset is used to either charge or plug in any external devices. So there is mic or audio port. There is lightning port. The lightning port is mainly used by Apple. Then comes micro USB port and USB-C port. Uh, the USB-C port is now the most common in smartphones because it is more uh, compatible, and it also reduces audio mic port in smartphones because it can also be used as audio port or external port or internal port, or also can be used for charging. So these were the main elements inside a smartphone. Thank you.